Hi. Today we will see a trick in WhatsApp. Now we can edit sent messages without deleting and resending them. We are going to watch both mobile and PC. For first on mobile, this is the message I sent. To edit it, tap and hold. Then this 3 dots. Go to edit, and edit the message you want as. You can re-edit again. Now desktop or PC version. It may be web or software. Simply come to the sent message. Click this down arrow, and edit. Also, you can re-edit here. Done. But remember, you can do it only within 15 minutes of the messages sent. After that, edit option will not appear for that particular message sent. Hope this video tutorial helped you a lot. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.